Hi kids! Attend full class today. You will find something interesting. Bye! Hey! Hi! How are you all? We are going to school after so long. I'm feeling so fresh and so excited to meet my new friends. Hi Richie, how are you?
I'm good. Waiting for you only. It's 8 o'clock. Let's go.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today I will take you to the magical room. Let's go.
Wow, it's amazing.
Today magic mirrors will take class. So I leave. Enjoy the lesson.
Hi kids. Me and my friends will teach you body parts today. You can see them on the mirror. Let's start. First is head. H-E-A-D, head. Next, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. I will tell next. Eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Can you guess? Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Again, my turn. It's teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth.
I am tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue.
It's lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Hi, this is my cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Hi, this is my chin. C-H-I-N, chin. It's neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Let me tell them now. Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Next, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Leg. L-E-G, leg. Last is feet. F-E-E-T, feet. It's over. We are going now. We are sending you all back to the class. Amazing class. I really enjoyed.
Have you seen the mirrors? They were talking.
Yes, it was so interesting. I really enjoyed today's class. I had lots of fun in the magical room. Anyways, I'm sleepy. Good night, sweet dreams. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.
Next class on 11th January.